Hello friends, welcome to Bash tutorial. Today the topic which we are covering is actually a query from one of our subscriber, and they just want to know how we can have a duplicate running backup instance, and so that we can test something, and then after testing we can actually implement in that in the production, but they don't want to touch the running instance. So let's start. First we will create an instance. So let's say that instance is in public subnet and public IP is enabled on it. So now that instance has an EBS volume with it, right? And that is not encrypted. Let's see original instance. I can use an existing security group. Okay, now I'm launching this instance. So I have created an instance which is an instance in public subnet. So now suppose I have that instance in production. I want to do some type of testing, but I don't want to touch that instance. So this was the query. So let's see how we can do it. So now our instance is ready. So what I will be doing first is I will be going and creating an AMI out of it. So AMI image will be my original underscore AMI underscore lamp. You can give any name. And then I don't want it to be rebooted, but one thing you should keep in mind, if you don't want it to be rebooted, then there may be an issue of inconsistency during copy or AMI creation. But if you want to reboot, then obviously there is an outage. So I am going with this option. So I am creating an image. So now what is happening, AMI is being created for that instance, running instance, and now I have EBS volume and I have root volume, and my AMI has been created. Then after creation of AMI, I just need to right click over it and create an instance out of it. So now my AMI is been created. Now let's see what I can do. Right click over it, launch it. You can choose, you can actually change the instance type. This is a good option. You can again go with everything which you want to vary. You can vary. Now look at this, you can actually have this as an EBS, so everything in it will be actually be as it is. So this is copy instance. So actually we are using, so now it will actually launch the AMI. So you can do configuration on it, you can launch it, and then you can start working on it, and you can actually make changes and look for it if my changes are actually done. So in this case you haven't touched your primary instance, you have created an AMI, you have created an instance out of it, and you can actually work. So it is being created. So this is how you can take a backup of your production instance and try development things if you haven't created a development account initially, or you haven't created a development stack, right? So this was one of the query from our subscribers. Keep writing, keep liking the videos, and I am waiting for it to initialize, and I can take putty and show you. Or all right. So instance is initialized and ready to be used. In this way you can actually copy even your root and EBS and start using it. but if you are not taking it for reboot, then inconsistency may happen. So like the video, share the video, and always keep learning. Bye.